Modern minimalist house na malapit sa Metro Manila, no spot down payment dahil ang down payment nito ay payable ng 24 months. Kaya naman don't skip this video. This is Pao Pipito, your home search buddy. Deserve ng family mo ang may magandang community, malawak, maliwalas dahil malalaki ang road at maganda ang location. Ang maganda dito ay may mga options tayo na pag-ibig, bank, financing at in-house financing. Complete finish turnover, 3 bedrooms at 2 toilet and bath. Included ang tiles, paint, at lahat ng unit natin dito ay with balcony. Expanded na to, kaya naman ang carport natin ay almost fully covered na. At with fence na rin, kaya naman makakatipid kayo sa home improvement cost. Available na rin ang units natin na malapit sa main entrance. Meron tayong complete amenities dito sa Newville Townhomes like clubhouse with pool, parks and playground, basketball court at marami pang iba. One bus ride lang ito going to PITX at approximately 60 to 90 minutes drive lang ito going to Manila. Total contract price ay 3,680,000 kasama na rin po dito ang water and electricity installation. Estimated monthly amortization sa pag-ibig ay 18,847.48. Two option naman para sa ating down payment. Meron tayong flexi payment na 17,000 monthly for 23 months at ang ikaw 24 month ay spot payment. Or pwede rin itong straight payment for 24 months na 32,750. Kaya naman kung interesado ka, send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!